Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with a narrow niche of 1,000 target users and validate demand in 30 days. Narrow focus reduces acquisition cost and lets you learn customer behavior before scaling. Choose supply first when providers are scarce, demand first when buyers are price sensitive. That decision shapes onboarding flow and incentives. Define 3 clear value propositions and measure which one converts in 2 weeks, using /B tests and simple landing pages. Prioritize repeatable actions that move users from discovery to first transaction within 7 days. Build an MVP in 8 weeks that enables listing, search, messaging, and payment so you can validate core flows quickly. Use a PCI-compliant payments provider and set commission between 10% and 25% depending on category to align incentives and cash flow. Require identity verification for providers and keep onboarding under 15 minutes to reduce friction and fraud. Implement simple metrics dashboards for GMV, take rate, conversion, and churn so engineers and operators can iterate weekly on weak points. Measure GMV weekly and aim for 5% week-over-week growth during early scaling while monitoring unit economics closely. Reinvest 30% of profits into user acquisition and retention for the first 18 months to sustain momentum and build network effects. Provide support to maintain under 24-hour response times and track resolution rate to protect trust and lifetime value. Optimize acquisition channels by comparing CPA to LTV. And build community tools to encourage referrals and repeat transactions as the marketplace matures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.